Action. 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 We asked lots of people in Scotland what made them scared of doing CPR. There were some myths, so we wanted to bust them. Myth 1. I will hurt them if I do it wrong.
Not true. You can't make things any worse by trying to help. And when you phone 999, they'll tell you what to do. Any CPR is better than no CPR. So bust that myth.
CPR Myth 2. I might catch something if I do mouth to mouth.
We're not asking you to do mouth to mouth, no kissing.
Yuck!
Just press on the chest and you won't catch anything at all. Bust that myth.
CPR Myth 3. I could get into trouble if I do it wrong. I could get sued.
You won't get in trouble for doing your best. You won't get sued. Bust that myth.